how to save posts on threads. So if you stumble upon a post you want to save on thread so that you can come back to this post later, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to save posts on threads, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the Threads app. Once you open the Threads app, then you want to scroll through to the post you want to save on thread. So just scroll through the post you're likely to save. So let's say I want to save this particular post on my thread account. All you just need to do is click on the three dots on the post. Then you should see Save pops. Click on the Save button. Then you should see Saved. Now, you can repeat this to save multiple posts on thread. So just locate the post you want to save on your thread account. Then click on the three dots and click on Save. Then you're going to see a pop that says Saved, See All. You can either see all to see all your saved posts, or better still, come back. Click on your profile icon at the bottom right. Click on the two lines at the top right. Then click on Saved. Then here you have access to all the saved posts you have on threads. So that's basically how to save posts on threads. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.